If you are looking for your phone number on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then we have a couple of ways to find it. First method is to go to Settings, choose your Apple account at the top, and then over here you should be able to find your iPhone over here. So we can select it. And after that, we have the phone number in here. The second method to check your phone number is to go to cellular or mobile data. And then over here, if you have just one SIM, then you should be able to immediately find your number in here. And in some other cases, if you have more than one SIM, then you can select which SIM you want to check. And then, of course, you can get the phone number over here. Besides that, we can also find the phone number if you go to your phone app. And if you go to contacts, you should be able to find your card, so you can select it. And then over here we have the phone number. You can also press and hold your finger on the number in order to copy it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.